Is your computer feeling sluggish, struggling to keep up with your demands? A RAM upgrade might be the perfect solution, and today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, you'll need to select the right RAM. Check your motherboard's manual, or use a website like Crucial.com to find compatible RAM types, speeds like DDR4 or 5, and the maximum amount of RAM your system can handle. Make sure to buy the correct type. Now, let's get started. Power down your computer completely, unplug all cables, and ground yourself by touching a metal part of the case to avoid static electricity. Then, open up your computer case. Locate the RAM slots on your motherboard that usually have little clips on each and gently push down on these clips to open the slot. If you are removing old RAM, these clips will release it. Align the notch on the RAM module with the notch on the RAM slot. This ensures you're installing it correctly. Apply even pressure on both ends of the RAM module until it clicks into place and the clips snap back up. Repeat this process for each RAM module you're installing. Make sure they're all firmly seated and the clips are securely holding them in place. Don't force it. Now, close up your computer case, reconnect all the cables, and power it back on. To confirm the installation was successful, go into your BIOS or system settings, usually by pressing Delete, F2, or F12 during startup. Check that the total amount of RAM is correctly displayed, and that's it. You've successfully upgraded your RAM. Enjoy the speed boost.